Vroom, vroom! Wow, your dinosaur is so cool! We had fun! Let's clean up. Let's put the toys away. Okay, I'll help. In the basket, all clean. We had fun, we played all day. Now it's time to put away. Clean up, one by one. Cleaning toys is lots of fun. Pick up blocks and teddy bears, cars and dolls and toys we share. In the box, on the shelf, I can do it by myself. Clean up, look around. Make the room neat and sound. All done, great job you. Clean up in the basket, all clean. Bye-bye, see you later. Have a good day. Wave hi. Goodbye. Bye.